I was just talking and then turned it on. Okay, so here I am, Sonia. Hello, everybody. I'm Sonia and I'm in Australia, and I'm going to open another entry in my tag competition. And this is from Amanda Scott Burton. You said you've been sick, Amanda. I hope you're better now. I do hope you're better. Try and get this out without killing something. There's nothing there to get caught on. Oh dear, these cutting things are never my good point. Look at that, see? There's stuff right up there too. I'm not sticking it in there again. I'm just going to demolish it like this, okay? Because I don't want to do that to it. I want to make a mess of what you've done for me. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. I appreciate everybody that's having a... Look at this, he's got my name on there. Look at that. Oh, wow. And she's made me this card. I do love them things. And she's isn't this nice? It's the little things that make life big. I do love good sayings like that. She's made this on a nice piece of card that's like really cool, isn't it? See? I don't know whether she's actually bought them already, don't know if she did it, but she put some nice text underneath it. She's got a lovely picture out of one of a book. You can see that that's what it was. I've got some of those little books and I don't know where they are. Oh well, never mind, I'll find them one day. They're in here somewhere. Anyhow, so, and that looks really good, and she put that little saying on the bottom, and she just wrote in there, "Dear Sonia, hope you're well." And I am, and as good as you get, you know. Thank you very much. And this says, "No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart." Look at this. My goodness me. And she's fastened it in there so I can't get it out. No, she hasn't. You open it this way, right? And then you still got the container to use. Look, she's utilised one of those things that comes with stickers or something. No, this had butterflies in it. And she's made it, and then you put it so it comes out the bottom. And I think I did a video on that, doing that a long time ago, eh? How you make it like that so it opens on the bottom. My goodness me, got lots of them. Aren't the colours cool? Wow. Oh, gee, these are cool, aren't they? Oh, wow, I love that blue feather. Isn't this pretty? Wow, thank you so much. Look at this. Oh, sari silk on the top. Geez, Amanda, this has been really good, this watching your craft over the years. You have been such a really good, you've been so good at this, you know, and working away really hard doing this. And then it says here, what does it say? How long you been a subscriber? I think a really long time. She made this using the graphic 45 place in time paper, and that's where you live. I've been a long time subby viewer. I know that for a really long time. Love to create junk journaling banks. You do a lot. You do a lot of really nice work. You do. I wish I had the time and patience to do more. I need to do more. Got to get the time to do more. This is nice. Look at that behind there. Did you dye that, I wonder? That looks really cool. Look at that. Oh dear. And then pictures, they're really good, aren't they? Brilliant. Absolutely love that. And then she's got a silver doily behind that. And there it is there too. That looks really good. That gives that a lot of lift up, doesn't it? Makes it, I mean, it's nice, but it sort of also gives it some bling. Without the bling. Oh, look, and here's another one. Oh, tags. Oh, boy. And this is all popped up on here. It's all dimensional. Look at this. Oh, you've done an amazing job on this. You really have. And look at this. She sent me some tags to play with. I do like tags. I do like tags to play with. I need to make more. I don't do as many as I should. And a neat little pocket you've got on the back of here too. Put that back in there, Sonia. Okay, now, look, isn't it neat? She's made it out of really heavy, good cardstock and put this really nice little trim and bow on there. I do love these. As you can see, they're nice to touch, aren't they? And I do like that. I do love things like that. Thank you so much for that, Amanda. They are absolutely beautiful, and so is your card. You have gone to all that trouble, darling. Thank you so much for sending me all those. I love them. Thank you. I don't know which one I'm going to keep. I'll have to keep the one with your name on it, put it in the book, won't I? The other two I can play with them. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.